Far too many people these days struggle with mediocre store-bought bread without even realizing it. Upgrading your kitchen with a bread maker will upgrade your life in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best bread machines go beyond just mixing dough, offering consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. And we have the top options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below, because they're going to take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's go. Number 5. The OSIPOTO 2LB Bread Maker Machine. We'll get this show on the road in the high-value, beginner-friendly domain with the OSIPOTO Bread Maker. This 17-in-1 automatic machine is the perfect gateway appliance for anyone nervous about diving into home baking. Its strength lies in its beautifully simple, intuitive controls that take the guesswork out of the process, ensuring a high success rate from your very first loaf. With a generous 15-hour delay timer, you can wake up to fresh bread or have it ready when you get home. The non-stick interior and kneading paddle make cleanup remarkably easy, and its low-noise operation means it won't disrupt your household. While many budget-friendly machines cut corners, this one stands out for delivering reliable, consistent performance and a surprisingly versatile set of features without putting any strain on your wallet. For its price point, the value it offers is incredibly hard to beat. Number 4. The Neretva Breadmaker 20-in-1 2-pound bread machine. Stepping up into the mid-range category, we encounter the highly capable Neretva Breadmaker. This model takes a significant leap in baking technology with its advanced dual heater system, one heater above and one below the loaf, paired with a premium nonstick ceramic pan. This combination is a game changer for achieving perfectly even baking and that ideal golden brown crust on all sides, a challenge for many single heater machines. With the expansive 20 programs, it handles everything from basic white bread to artisan doughs, cakes, and even jam. The 15-hour programmable timer and extended 1-hour keep warm function give you total flexibility, while its sleek stainless steel housing and low noise operation add a touch of class to your countertop. If you're past the basics and want a machine that actively improves the texture and quality of your bake with smart engineering, this Neretva model is a compelling and powerful choice. Number 3. The Cuisinart Breadmaker Machine, CBK110NAS. Now we come to a bastion of kitchen trust, the Cuisinart Breadmaker. This model embodies the principle of refined simplicity. It doesn't overwhelm you with dozens of niche programs. Instead, it focuses on 12 perfectly curated menu options that cover all the essentials, from French to gluten-free. You get 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust colors, giving you ample control over your final product. Where Cuisinart truly shines here is in user experience. The stainless steel design is timeless, and the fully removable nonstick baking pan and kneading paddle make cleanup an absolute hassle-free breeze, a critical feature that many competitors overlook. This machine is a dependable workhorse. It's for the person who wants consistent, excellent 2-pound loaves without any fuss, complexity, or guesswork, backed by the reliability of a legendary kitchen brand. Number 2. The KBS Premium Convection Bread Maker. For the ambitious home baker who views the kitchen as a creative studio, the KBS Premium Convection Bread Maker is an absolute revelation. This isn't just an appliance. It's a comprehensive baking platform. Its staggering 17-in-1 functionality includes dedicated settings for gluten-free bread, authentic sourdough, homemade jam, and even yogurt. The crown jewel is its true convection system, a fan that circulates hot air throughout the ceramic pan. This ensures a perfectly even bake, eliminates doughy spots, and creates a professional-grade crust. The built-in nut and fruit dispenser adds ingredients at the perfect moment, while the responsive touch panel and 53 guided recipes walk you through culinary adventures you never thought possible with the machine. If you want to explore the entire universe of homemade artisan baking with top-tier tools, this KBS model is the powerhouse that makes it all effortlessly achievable. Number 1. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker. And now, our number 1 pick, the machine that stands in a league of its own, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme. This is the undisputed champion for the serious bread enthusiast, and for good reason. Zojirushi has applied decades of precision Japanese engineering to solve every common pain point of home bread making. Its unique horizontal loaf pan and dual kneading paddles work in harmony to create a beautifully textured, traditionally shaped loaf with no annoying hole in the bottom, a signature flaw of many vertical machines. It is whisper quiet, impeccably built, and programmed for flawless consistency. From its sophisticated menu to the homemade function that lets you tailor every phase of the cycle, this machine offers unparalleled control. Choosing the Zojirushi isn't just about buying an appliance. It's about making a long-term investment in daily joy and culinary excellence. It doesn't just meet expectations. It surpasses them so completely that it becomes the quiet, indispensable hero of your kitchen, delivering bakery-perfect results that are worth every single penny.